Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, traction control, electronic stability control. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.